Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by removing quick blockers. Plug the laptop into AC and check battery percent. You want steady power. Open Settings, go to Power and Sleep, and change Screen and Sleep to Never so the system stops timing out. Once done, go to Additional Power Settings and set the lid close action to do nothing when plugged in and on battery. This prevents accidental sleeps. This establishes a stable baseline before deeper changes. Next, you dive into advanced power options to control background triggers. Select or create a high-performance plan, then edit advanced settings. Expand sleep and set sleep after and allow hybrid sleep to never. Set hibernate after to 0 or never. Disable USB selective suspend and set PCIe link state to off so peripherals don't wake or sleep the system. Make sure network adapter power saving is disabled. This keeps your laptop awake during network activity. These steps prevent. To finish, verify settings and catch hidden causes. Run powercug/request to see what prevents sleep and powercug/change to enforce timeouts. These commands reveal blockers. Test by running a long task and watch Event Viewer under System for any sleep entries. You'll learn why it still dozes. If it keeps sleeping, update display and chipset drivers, review scheduled tasks and vendor power utilities, and reset power plans. If all fails,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.